In Ad Center, you'll be able to get a overview, just a summary of your ad performance. If you like to get it in detail, if you like to get the exhaustive reports and all, then what we have to do, we have to go to Facebook Ad Manager, where it will be available. We have to go to tools here on right hand side. Tools is there. Click on the three dots. Okay, click on the three dots and select Visit Ads Manager. Visit Ad Manager. It will open a new tab where all your ads will be shown. Again, you have a three level of the ads when it comes to the ad manager. Okay, first it will comes to the campaign. Within a campaign, we'll be having an ad set. Within an ad set, we'll be having a ads. So that the created ad, you can see these are the past created ad. This one right now it is active ad. Okay, for example, you like to analyze the ad, like what kind of strategy they have used, how much budget we have been taken, what about the output, okay, how much reach, how much impression it has been created, the cost for reach, okay, how much amount we have been spent, when it is end, and how frequently it has been taken, and unique clicks, everything it will be given at the ad campaign level. Similarly, if you click on ad set, the same thing it will be shown, each ad set level from when it has been started at that particular ad set, and ad level. Okay, here we have to remember that say it works similar to your Google ads. In Google Ads also we have a campaign. Within campaign ad group. Within the ad group we will be having a ads. Within ads keywords was there. Here three level is there. What is the use of this particular ad manager is? For example, if you like to inactivate this particular, you would like to turn off this particular campaign. Directly you can select this one to turn off the campaign. And if you like to know the in detail about this particular campaign, how it is performed, you can go to view charts to check the performance of the particular campaign, how much reach, how much them click, how much amount we have been spent, okay, demographic wise, okay. These things we already learned in a overview, right? The placement, okay, these things we already learned in a overview, but here you will get a in detail, like placement in a Facebook, in Instagram, in Messenger, in audio network, okay, how it has been performed. You can close here once you have been done with that. Okay, if you like to inactivate any of the ads, you can select this one to turn off the ads. In the sense that particular ad will be off now, okay, it will not be going to perform anymore. Similarly, you can create ads also. We can create a new ad here itself. We'll go to create in a campaign. We selected a, we'll say turn off this one, not we selected anyone, and create. You can start creating a campaign. First, it is asking what type of the campaign you would like to create. Okay, I will say that I would like to get a brand awareness, or I would like to get a considerations like engagement, video views, or lead generation, message, or conversions. Conversions are like they were directly they will purchase from your Facebook page itself. I would like to reach or brand awareness. I would like to do. Okay, in brand awareness, name your campaign. You can name the campaign here like reach new audience. Okay, then ad set we can create. Okay, we can give the ad set name also, same thing, reach India, that is the ad. Within that new audience, this is the ad set. And ad, it is nothing but we are going to create a video ad, so video. So it will give the detailed reference what type of campaign it is, where you are targeting, and what type of the ad you are running. Then say continue. Now it has been created a campaign. Okay, basic we have been created. Then you can select the campaign objective. Already selected campaign, we already selected. If you like to do a A/B test, we can select A/B test. Okay, has a changed in the sense we can create a version, second version of the campaign also, so that we will be having we'll get to know about which campaign is performing better. Go to next. Now we are going to add set level. In add set level, we are going to, this is the name of the ad. Here we are setting a budget and down. Okay, we say daily budget of 100 rupees and start from today and end by 2 days. Okay, then we say show more option. Here you can change ads also, then schedule also, you can schedule the ads also. And audience, if you like to, location by default India is selected, you like to edit any of the locations, you can select that one. And age group you can edit. If you don't want to show your ad to everyone, the specific age group you would like to target, you can target to specific age group. Specific gender you can target, or all like this. And any behavior basis, if you like to target, you can edit here behaviors. Languages, specific language speakers. Okay, like this we can target, or we can go to a any other audience we have, that particular audience also we can select. Okay, then the placement, automatic placement is nothing but it will be placed a messenger as well as in Instagram everywhere. You can select the manual placement also, like I don't want to show in a messenger, I would like to place it in a Facebook and Instagram only. You can select that placement. Within that, if you don't want to select it everywhere, then you can select those things where you like to place your particular ad most of the time. Then you don't want to place in a stories, like this we can unselect wherever you don't want to place. All edits are saved. Then go to next. Here you can check the audience, how many audience, how much I can reach. Then it will go to a ad level, third level, that is the ad. Which one we are going to create? We are going to create a video ad. So video, that is the name. Okay, here we can select the page, which page we are selecting for the promotion, that particular page we have to select. Then the page content, which type of the Instagram account, we will create an Instagram account and we'll show you how to connect it to Facebook later. And ad, for example, video ad I would like to create. And for example, select a placement and edit. Here you can create an ad. Here everything is okay. If you like to turn into video, we can select into video. And you can select the video, which format you would like to get it, that video to be shown. That particular format you can select, vertical or horizontal, like that, how it to be shown. Okay, then can say customize. Okay, if you like to crop, you can crop the video. Okay, scene 2, scene 1, like this you can change it, or use a video. We are going to add, change it to a video, that entire images. Then here you can tracking, we already have a tracking, then we can say publish. Okay, so that your ad will be created. you can review your ad. You can check how your ad will look like before publishing. Okay, here it will show your ad, everything. Okay, it will be much more customization. You can do it by using a this particular ad manager. Okay, then you can publish to create an ad, or else we can say back, or we can go to close publish draft item. We can close the ad so that the new campaign will be not be shown. It will be in a draft only. Okay, like this we can create a campaign. We can create a campaign. Okay, it will be in a draft. You can turn off the that particular ad. Okay, so like this we can create a ads through your ad manager also. You can create here itself. It will be very easy if you are creating an ad here itself. If you like to have a much more advanced settings, then we can come back to a ad manager by click here. Okay, ad manager. Okay, here you can create a campaign ads and ad sets together. Once you have been created, it will be published here itself and it will start running your ad. Okay, this is about how to create an ad by using a ad manager.